you go.
Elena's opening her first Christmas present.
Don't eat it.
You opening your Christmas present? From Santa? Oh, this is from Brian and Emily. Uncle Brian and Aunt Emily.
Yeah. Destroy it.
What's in there?
She doesn't care about what's in there. She's just eating it.
What did you get? Oh! Look how cute that is!
Wow, Elena.
Yay!
Put it on.
That is cute. Look at